Are you tired of relying on grocery stores for your produce? Do you wish you could have fresh, healthy vegetables and protein right at home? Introducing The Indoor Farmer, a guide to growing vegetables and raising quail at home. This comprehensive guide is the ultimate resource for anyone looking to start their own indoor farm. Whether you're a city dweller with limited space or a suburban homeowner looking for a new hobby, the Indoor Farmer will teach you everything you need to know to successfully grow fresh vegetables and raise quail in the comfort of your own home. Based on this author's experience of raising up to 30 quail in a 30 square foot space, this book is packed with valuable information on selecting the right equipment and setting up your indoor farm, maintaining healthy plants and quail, and achieving a bountiful harvest and thriving quail flock. You'll learn about indoor hydroponic systems which allow you to grow fresh vegetables without soil, as well as indoor quail pens which provide a safe and comfortable environment for your birds to live. Plus, you'll discover tips for maintaining healthy plants and quail, including feeding and watering schedules, pest management, and more. So if you're ready to start your own indoor farm, order your copy of The Indoor Farmer, a guide to growing vegetables and raising quail at home today and start growing. Get it on Amazon, Kindle, and at TonyTeolis.com. TonyTeolis.com and Kindle. Thank you.